Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to create your rental add-ons in your owner dashboard. From the home page, click on your profile in the top right and select your dashboard from the drop-down menu. Once in your dashboard, select Rental Products and Promotions and then Add-ons. This is where your rental add-ons will be displayed. To begin, select the Add Rental Add-on button in the top right. Fill out the details on both tabs to set up your rental add-on. You can add your image in the Media tab, but make sure your image follows the specifications required for it to be uploaded. The image should be no bigger than 600 kilobytes. It should be one of the following formats: WebP, JPEG or a PNG, however the recommended extension is WebP to optimize website performance. To make your add-on available, you need to connect it to your product. To do this, please select the link button, which is shown here. Once you have clicked through, type the name of the piece of equipment you would like to attach your add-on to. Select your equipment and click Save. Now you can see which of your products this add-on has been added to, giving buyers the option to select the add-on as part of their purchase. You can then view your add-on by clicking on your profile in the top right and selecting Home from the drop-down menu. Then, navigate through the website to find your product. To view your add-ons, select Add-ons next to the rental price. You have now completed your rental add-on setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.